You know, it's a beautiful morning. Regardless of what the day holds, it's a beautiful morning. Sun is out today. Yesterday, in the evening, late evening, it was storming real bad, guys. It was storming. You know, everything getting knocked off the trees. Leaves was everywhere. It was like a mini hurricane for like 10 minutes. You know, lawn got some good water in though. I don't have to water this morning. It's nice and damp and wet. Yeah. But yeah, guys, it's a beautiful, beautiful morning. Look, the birds are chirping. Nice and sunny. It's gonna be a hot day today again. Super hot. It's been super hot. I gotta refill the birds. You see the bird feeder? They're over there, but there's no food in there. So they be eating off the floor and whatever droppings that fell. But I got more feed. I got more bird feeder. I got more feeding inside. I'm gonna put some in there for them. But yeah, today it's back to painting, guys. I'm still painting. I got 2 rooms done painting. One of them I gotta do the floors. One of them is done completed. I just have a little patch section. I'm gonna sand that down and paint it. But that one is done completed. Let's say it's done. It's just to sand a little section and paint it like a little patch. Three little patch. So I got that. Then I got the floors to do in one. Replace some tiles, and then that big room I'm gonna repaint it white. So before, in the earlier videos, I wasn't going to paint it white. I was gonna wait until someone come in and then decide, if they like that color, we keep it that color. However, someone came in, they said they're gonna take it. They haven't signed anything yet, but in 2 days or 3 days they're gonna decide and then possibly take it. So with that being said, I'm just gonna go ahead and change it because they were saying that they would rather white. So, oh, there's another pretty bird right here. I don't know if you could see him. It's like a black and white with red. His head is red. He's nice. They're on that tree. I wonder if those are the woody woodpecker. It looks like a woody woodpecker. I don't know trees. I don't know birds, guys. One of them older videos I had catch him on video, but every now and then I'll see him. It's not all the time, but he's on that tree right there. See him? He just flew off. Yeah. Yeah, guys. So we got some of them on the floor right here. It's a lot of birds. You might not be able to. There's another black and white with red one over there. Yeah. So the birds are active this morning, guys. I throw feeding all over down there, so they'll. I got the bird feeder, but then some spill on the floor the other day. So I realized they eat early in the morning. So like this time they'll come out and eat, and then you don't see them for the rest of the day. One every now and then, in the middle of the day, but they mostly eat in the morning time, and then evening time they'll eat. They don't really eat in the daytime. Yeah, so that's it for the birds, animals. The squirrels are out too as well. I was here editing a video for today to drop later on today. So yeah, guys, I think I got everything loaded. So see, I got this one edited. At the end of the time, it'll pay off. You know what I'm saying? Whatever I'm doing, if I'm working on the salon, I'm working on the Peppers project. At the end of the project, it should pay off. If I get up every day and do something towards that project. Yeah. So yeah, I got today's video or yesterday's video to edit, so that's what I'm gonna do. I should probably take this computer with me, and that way I could yeah, that way I could edit while I'm at work. Yeah, so oh me on guys early. So today I'm gonna finish up painting. I have I gotta call the architect to figure out what's going on right there. He did make the changes on there, but I'm not sure if he had resubmitted the plans for the changes. So he said he got them. I'd spoken to him earlier over the weekend, and he said he got them done. He got it done. So now I'm just waiting on that review, to see. Let me check and see. I could check in here and see. The Gwinnett County website, it's not, it doesn't give you much update, to be honest, guys. Yeah, it doesn't really give us much update. Yeah. What happened is yeah, it's crazy. The website, they try to steer us towards using this website thing, but it's not updated. They don't update it. That's the Gwinnett County zip portal thing. I don't know if anybody else out there uses it, but new commercial renovation. Yeah, it doesn't really have much. Let's see, it says reports right here. It says 5 reports. Let's click on that and see. Register that. Special inspection. See what the first one says. I have no idea what this is. I don't think it applies to me. Yeah, I'm just gonna have to call them and see where we're at with it. Maybe I go by the yeah, maybe I'll just go by the county and see where they're at with it. But I pretty much logged in, and let's go in announcement. See if there's any. Okay, so new. The only thing I see in announcement is something about updated fee schedule. That's just pretty much it. I have no idea, guys. This zip portal thing, it's annoying to me. Collections, reports, account manager. There's nothing Okay, my projects, plan review. So there's nothing showing up for plan review. There's nothing in my thing. So I don't know. Let me get in touch with the architect and see what's going on. Alright, so I sent him a text to give me a call. It's still kind of early, guys, so that's why I don't wanna. It's not even 8 o'clock yet, so yeah. So see, that's the Gwinnett County portal. There's nothing showing up in terms of plan. So this is just showing that, you know, it was accepted. There's nothing showing, you know, yeah, it's just showing, you know, application accepted. So that's pretty much what Gwinnett County zip portal tells you. And that's it. It just says accepted. So they don't tell you where it's at, like if it's in review at like, you know, in plumbing or electrical, or what the status of it. It doesn't give you a detail. It just says accepted. So at first they had, you know, they made it seem like we could track every process, where it's at, what it's doing, how far, how long. They're lying, because now you click on it, all it says is accepted. Plan review, and it says accepted. The architect did say that he got it back with one correction. So he made those corrections, and I'm assuming he resubmitted them. But all that process, all that things he's telling me that's happening, Gwinnett County is not telling us any of it. It's not on the website. So the only record I'm seeing right here is when it was accepted 6/11. It's now 7/16. So one whole month, and it's just sitting there. I mean, as far as the website, there's no activity, right? But when I checked with the, you know, the architect told me he had gotten a response and all that. So they're communicating with him, but they don't put those communications on their website, you know, which sucks, because the whole purpose of having this zip portal is for the owners and the contractors and whoever to get an idea of what's going on, you know, keep everybody updated. It's not even updating anyone. So when I come to zip portal sucks. Maybe they're gonna improve on it later on, but I think it's something that's new. So hopefully they start updating it whenever they do what they do. Anyway, we're gonna get with the architect and see what's going on with that. But for now, I'm gonna make me some hot water. I'm gonna get ready to go over to the salon and get started. I was cleaning out my closet. You know, every now and then everyone got a bunch of old clothes we gotta get rid of. So I have a bunch of clothes right here. I'm gonna bag them up and put them in that recycle Salvation Army recycle stuff. Some of them is brand new. I never wore them, but I ain't never gonna wear them. So I'm just gonna donate them. Alright guys, so I'm here, I'm gonna make my hot water, drink a cup of hot water, and then head on out to the salon. So stay tuned. I'm gonna cut this one down because this one is already 18 minutes me talking, just talking. So I'm gonna cut it down, make it about 5 minutes. I'm trying to cut the videos down, guys. Sometimes it's hard, but I'm trying to cut them down to like 30 minutes, 15 minutes. Alright, stay tuned. Hey guys, so I'm here feeding the bird. They eat all of it, guys. I don't know, I think the squirrels are helping them to eat it. But I just filled it back up. Well, not filled, half, quarter way up. So we'll see by tomorrow it's gone. They'll be eating it. This is what I give them. They love it. It says feeding frenzy. But they'll be eating it. They love it. I'll be cutting the lawn soon. Maybe tomorrow or by the end of the weekend. By the end of the week. It was raining hard yesterday, so I didn't get to. I can't really cut it. It's still kind of damp. So I'll cut it tomorrow. But it's a beautiful day out here, guys. It's nice and sunny. Beautiful, beautiful day. Anyhow, I still haven't made it to the salon. I gotta go paint the third room. So I'm gonna head over there. It's now evening time, but I'm gonna head over there in a minute to go finish painting. I'm on the third room, so I'm gonna finish painting tonight or this evening. I was just feeling a little bit tired, so I'll get to it. Anyhow, guys, I'm editing a video, yesterday's video, so let me go do that, finish that up, and then head out to the salon.